The key to success is not just in what we do, but also in how we think. It's about cultivating a powerful mind that can navigate life's challenges with resilience and grace. This is where meditation comes into play. Meditation is more than just a relaxation technique. It's a journey inward, a dance with our thoughts and emotions that can lead to profound transformations. To inspire your meditation journey, here are 10 interesting quotes about meditation that will fuel your path towards inner peace and self-discovery. Number 1, meditation is like a shower. It washes away all the dirt of the day. Lama Surya Das. The day-to-day grind of life can leave us mentally exhausted. Work stress, family issues, financial worries, they all pile up, making us feel drained and overwhelmed. But just like a shower cleanses the body, meditation can cleanse the mind. It provides a space where you can shed the weight of the day, releasing all the tension and negativity that has been clinging onto you. Imagine starting each day fresh, invigorated, and ready to face new challenges with a clarity that only comes from a peaceful mind. That's the gift of meditation. Number 2. If we are willing to give up our attachment to outcomes, our life will be far more joyful and serene. Jack Cornfield. In the tapestry of life, it's our desires and attachments that often become the threads that bind us, restricting our movement and clouding our vision. We grasp at outcomes, convinced that happiness lies at the end of our wish lists. Yet this pursuit can lead to a life filled with anxiety and dissatisfaction. Meditation teaches us the profound truth that true joy and serenity emerge when we release our attachment to specific outcomes. It's a gentle reminder that happiness is a journey, not a destination. And sometimes the most fulfilling moments come from embracing the unknown, allowing life to unfold with its beautiful surprises. Number 3, the purpose of meditation is not to empty your mind, but to make you aware of what is there. Andrew Huberman. Meditation is often portrayed as a practice of emptying the mind, a quest for a blank slate of nothingness. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Our minds are intricate tapestries, always teeming with activity. Meditation doesn't silence this activity. It brings awareness to it. It's in this awareness that we begin to understand the patterns of our thinking, the habitual grooves that shape our reality. By recognizing these patterns without judgment, we gain the power to choose which thoughts to nourish and which to let go of. It's a journey of self-discovery, illuminating the path to a life that aligns with our deepest values and aspirations. Number 4, meditation. Sitting in the stillness and knowing that you are enough. Anonymous. The human experience is often fraught with feelings of inadequacy, a constant sense that we're not enough, whether in terms of our achievements, appearance, or social status. The world bombards us with messages that fuel this feeling, leaving us in a relentless pursuit of something beyond our grasp. Meditation offers a sanctuary. In the stillness of your meditation, you are confronted with your true self, stripped bare of all the external noise. And in that vulnerability, you realize that you are enough. You are enough simply by being. Your worthiness is inherent, not contingent on external factors. This realization is a transformative moment, the dawning of self-acceptance and self-love. Number 5, meditate. When you do, you will see that thoughts come and go like clouds in a clear blue sky. Observe them without judgment, without trying to change them, and most importantly, without taking them seriously. Jack Cornfield. Our thoughts are the architects of our reality. They form the structure within which we live our lives. But what happens when these thoughts become clouded by judgments and strong emotions? We lose the clarity that allows us to make thoughtful decisions. Meditation offers a solution. It encourages us to observe our thoughts without immediate reaction, to watch them drift by like clouds in the vast expanse of our minds. It's in this non-judgmental observation that we regain control over our thought processes. We learn to recognize the difference between a helpful thought and a destructive one, empowering us to choose which thoughts to entertain and which to let go of. In essence, meditation is about reclaiming the power to shape your reality by first mastering your thoughts. Number 6. The habit of meditation wears off on a person. The face becomes calm, the eyes become luminous, and there is a certain alertness and vivacity in the whole demeanor. Swami Sivananda. Meditation isn't just a practice, it's a lifestyle that seeps into every aspect of your being. Its impact goes beyond the meditative state, transforming you into a living embodiment of tranquility. As you consistently meditate, your outer demeanor begins to reflect your inner peace. The lines of worry on your face soften, your eyes shine with a new luminosity, and your movements become imbued with a sense of calm alertness. It's as if meditation seeps into your pores, making it impossible to ignore the changes it brings. It's a silent testament to the transformative power of meditation, a radiant glow that speaks of inner harmony. 7. Meditation is not escape, it is an essential part of life. We cannot be fully engaged in the world unless we have a center of stillness within ourselves. Anonymous. Life is a whirlwind of activity and responsibilities that can easily pull us away from ourselves. We escape into work, relationships, and entertainment, seeking solace and meaning outside of ourselves. But what if the answer lies within? Meditation calls us back to ourselves, reminding us that escaping into the external world only leads to a fragmented existence. It urges us to cultivate an inner sanctuary, a place of stillness and self-awareness that acts as our anchor in the storms of life. Only when we have this internal compass can we truly navigate the complexities of the external world with clarity and purpose. Number 8. Meditation gives you the ability to be fully present in your life and to appreciate the beauty that surrounds you. It allows you to be deeply engaged in whatever you are doing, whether it is working, eating, or simply walking. Thich Nhat Hanh. In our fast-paced world, the art of being present is often forgotten. We find ourselves constantly distracted, our attention scattered across numerous tasks and digital distractions. This mental fragmentation robs us of the joy in everyday experiences. Meditation is the antidote. It trains us to be fully present, to savor the taste of our food, to feel the sun on our skin, and to listen with full attention to those around us. It's a celebration of life in each moment, a deep engagement with the world that awakens our senses and fills us with gratitude. 9. I have never meditated 1 minute in my life, and so I don't know what it's like. As far as I can tell, everything I do is meditation. Ram Dass. The essence of meditation lies not in a specific technique or a particular posture, but in a fundamental shift in perspective. It's about infusing mindfulness into every facet of your life. Ram Dass beautifully illustrates this concept, suggesting that his entire life is a form of meditation. It's a reminder that meditation isn't confined to a quiet room or a specific time of the day. It's a way of being, a conscious approach to life that embraces the present moment, whatever it may be. It's about finding stillness and awareness in the midst of activity, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary through mindful engagement. Number 10. The best time to start meditating was probably 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Anonymous. The path to inner peace and self-discovery is a journey we can begin at any point in our lives. There's a common belief that we've missed the boat if we haven't started meditating earlier. But this couldn't be further from the truth. Each moment is a new opportunity to embark on this transformative journey. Meditation isn't a race against time. It's a lifelong practice that evolves with us. The sooner we start, the sooner we reap the benefits. So, if you've been contemplating meditation, there's no better time than right now. Embrace this moment as the start of your journey, a step towards a more peaceful and fulfilling life. In the tapestry of life, meditation is the golden thread that holds the intricate pattern together. It's a practice that invites you to look inward, to confront your thoughts and emotions, and ultimately to embrace the beauty of the present moment. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or just beginning your journey, remember the words of these wise souls. Let them guide you, inspire you, and remind you of the profound impact meditation can have on your life. And as you continue to meditate, may you discover a deeper sense of inner peace, clarity, and connection with yourself and the world around you.